Today we're having our open house where we're highlighting basically anything and everything that COD has to offer. They're going to hear from instructors, they're going to hear from people in financial aid, counseling and advising, admissions. If you want to learn about COD and who we are, this is the event you want to be at.
We have over 70 different academic programs and student support service programs here. We're also offering an admissions information session in both English and Spanish. We're offering Demystifying the College Classroom with Professor Timothy Clifford here, so our students can get an on-the-fly look at what it means to be a COD student. We're also offering free massages. We have our awesome massage therapy department here giving out free massages, and we even have our martial arts department here doing martial arts demonstrations. Our students are coming from all over the district. Just today I've met students from Neuqua Valley, Hinsdale South, Glenbard East, Glenbard North. I even had a student come from Rockford that's looking to move into our area. So we're really serving our District 502 families and beyond.